Exercise 8.1 show that the diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angle. First step 1. Given from this question, what are given is there? ABCD is a square. And AC and BD are diagonals. To prove, in this sum we want to prove, that is, show that the diagonals of the square are equal and bisect each other at right angle. So given is ABCD is a square, AC and BD are diagonals. Now we have to prove that AC diagonals are equal. Is it right? So AC equal to BD, then are equal and bisect each other at right angle. That means AC bisects BD at right angles. Right angles. That is, AC is perpendicular to BD. And then also we are going to prove it's bisect. That means AO equal to OC and BO equal to OD. Perpendicular, this I can take it, angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. So now start the proof. First we are going to draw the picture. That is square A, B, C, D. In this, AC and BD are diagonal. Both they intersect at O point. Okay, now we start the proof. For step 1. Step 1, what I am going to do? In triangle, I am going to take two triangles here. In triangle ABC and triangle BAD. First, I take the picture separately. ABC. So your picture is here. A, B, C and BAD. BAD is here. Already previous slide itself I told you that we have to always show the concurrency. So that we will prove first. For that we are taking two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle BAD. Okay, in this if you see that AB, AB. So both the triangles we have AB. AB is equal to AB, that is a common sides. Common sides. Next, we can take it up. B angle ABC, which is equal to, this is angle ABC, which is equal to angle BAC, which is equal to 90 degree. That is, in a square we know already all the angles are 90 degree. And here BC and AD, these are the sides of the square. BC, in this, here it is AD, that means it's a sides of square. For square, the property is all sides are equal. So from these we got that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD by side angle side criteria. From this we get that AB. If you see this, you know that AC is equal to BD. AC equal to BD by CPCT, which is, from this what do you get? Diagonals are equal. AC is nothing but it's a diagonal. So diagonals are equal. If you see that in the previous page, you know that we have to show that AC equal to BD, AC bisects BD at right angle. So this condition we have finished. Now we will move to the next. So step 1, from the step 1 we have proved that AC equal to BD, that is diagonals are equal. Now step 2. Step 2. In step 2, I am going to take it up triangle. In triangle AOB and triangle COD. First I take the picture, then you get an idea what to do. This is a square A, B, C, D, and this is O, intersect point. So AOB. From this I am taking AOB alone separately and COD. C, D and O. From this your proof. Here AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD. When you see the square, you know that this is the side of a square, because in a square sides are all equal. Is it right? Next, angle AOB, this angle, and angle COD, this angle is equal. Can you guess why it is equal? Angle AOB is equal to angle COD. If you see the picture, you know that AOB is here, COD is here. That means it is a vertically opposite angle. It's a vertically opposite angles are equal. Next case, we are going to take it up OAB, this angle OAB, and here it is OCD, this angle OCD. Again check from the diagram, you get an idea. That is OAB, this angle, OCD, this angle. If you see this, you can get an idea. What type of angle is this? Alternate angles are equal. Is it right? Alternate angle. This is. So again, from this we got the triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD by which category this is? Angle side criteria. Is that right? We use angle, here angle and side. So from this what do you get? We got that OA is equal to OC. Also OB equal to OD. That is diagonals bisect each other. Is it right? We got the next condition. Diagonals bisect each other. So one more case, it is a 90 degree we have to prove. That is, I am going to take it as a step 3. Step 3. So in this I am going to take a triangle AOB and triangle COB. Again I take the picture first, then you get an idea. This is a triangle square A, B, C, D. AC and BDs are diagonals. So now we are going to take it up AOB, where it is AOB, O, A and B. Next diagram is COB. Is it right? COB. Okay, now we prove the conditions here. Again see here OB, here also OB. So common sides are there. OB equal to OB. This is a common sides. Next we have AO and OC are equal. This is already we prove in a step 2, that is bisects. Is it right? Angles bisects. Next we have AB equal to CB. AB equal to CB. That means if you see the full picture you can get it. AB equal to CB means it's a sides of a square. Sides of a square. Is it right? Therefore, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COB. Which category is this? Side category. Is it right? So from this we will get, we came to know that it's a linear pair. AC, we get a linear pair. That is AOB, angle AOB plus angle BOC, which is equal to 180 degree. We can take it up. Already you get that AOB is equal to COB. That means AOB is equal to COB. That means here you will get 2 times of angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. That is angle AOB equal to 90 degree. Is it right? So last condition, that AOB equal to COB, angle AOB is equal to angle COB. COB, which is equal to 90 degree. That is AC perpendicular to OB, also AC perpendicular to BD we can write. Hence the theorem is proved.